everybody. Troy Mobbs here. I ran a morning meeting this morning here in Surabaya for a sales organisation. Launch your career in 2 easy steps. I think the topic is relevant to anybody, any career, anybody that wants to start their own business. The video is done both in English and Bahasa Indonesia. I use these same steps over 20 years ago when I started my own business. They served me very well, and I've been involved in developing over 1,000 entrepreneurs, that people are running their own businesses, that I've also taught to use the same steps. Enjoy the video. It's done in 2 parts, about 10 minutes each video. I'm sure you'll find them very relevant and very helpful. Bye for now. See you at the next video. Cheers. Bye. Bit useless technology, huh? Selamat pagi semua. Pagi. How are we this morning? Apa kabar? Luar biasa enthusiast. Enthusiast. Okay. All right. All right? Okay. All right, this morning,
Pagi ini,
let's talk about how to launch our career.
mari kita bicarakan gimana caranya kita melaunching karir kita
Correctly.
secara
Right.
benar.
Just like a motorbike,
Sama
right?
seperti kayak sepeda motor.
Who's ever ridden a motorbike before?
Siapa yang pernah mengendarai motor?
Just? Okay. Now, the old motorbikes, you used to have to kickstart the old one. Remember that?
Kalau motor yang manual atau yang zaman dulu kan dia kalau starter harus digoes ya di.
And if you didn't kickstart it well enough, if you didn't give it enough force, the bike, you just couldn't get the bike started.
Ya, jadi kalau misalnya tenaganya nggak pas, kurang, ya, tidak akan nyala kan mesin motornya ya.
So you had to have a strong leg to really give it a big kick.
Harus benar-benar kuat,
Okay.
pakai
Alright.
semangat.
So it's the same thing in launching your career.
Sama dengan caranya kita kalau mau melaunching karir kita.
See, I guess the problem that I've seen, and I've been in the business quite a long time now, the problem I've seen is I've seen a lot of smart people that, have a lot of potential, but they don't get to the finish line.
Ya, jadi kebanyakan selama Troy di bisnis ini dia mengamati banyak orang yang punya kemampuan yang luar biasa, tapi mereka tidak sampai ke garis finish.
They start in the business, but they don't get to ownership. They don't execute. They don't get to the finish line. They don't succeed.
Ya, jadi mereka tidak bisa sampai ke garis finish, tidak bisa mencapai kesuksesan yang mereka inginkan itu.
And then I've seen, people that, at first impression didn't look like they had a lot of potential. Maybe they didn't have a great education and they just look pretty average with their charisma, but they make it to the finish line.
Tapi di satu sisi lain lagi, ada orang yang kelihatannya seperti orang yang biasa-biasa saja, karismanya juga tidak yang biasa-biasa saja, tapi dia bisa mencapai sampai ke garis finish.
Okay, good. And I think the difference between the two people is one of them got themselves a good Kickstarter. They were able to kickstart and get the engine going, whereas the other one really didn't put enough force to launch themselves, to be able to kickstart their engine.
Ya, jadi mungkin salah satunya adalah pada saat orang itu awal untuk menyalakan mesin dirinya itu, dia tidak menyalakan mesinnya itu dengan tenaga yang pas, yang cukup. Ya.
So I want to talk about the best way to kickstart your engine.
Jadi Troy mau kasih tahu gimana sih cara yang terbaiknya untuk mulai tendang untuk nyalakan mesin kalian itu.
And I really recommend highly, if you do what I tell you today, you're going to have a lot greater chance of reaching the finish line.
Dan Troy sangat rekomen untuk kalian benar-benar dengarkan baik-baik apa yang dia mau sampaikan, dan kalau kalian lakukan, menurut Troy kesempatan atau peluang kalian untuk suksesnya lebih besar.
It sounds easy, yeah? That sounds easy?
Kelihatannya mudah ya, mudah.
Okay. And I can assure you, what I'm going to tell you is easy.
Dan Troy mau pastikan atau yakinkan kalian bahwa apa yang dia sampaikan memang mudah,
But
tapi
I think,
Troy
and I'm
pikir
almost sure of this,
dan dia hampir yakin
that most people in the room won't follow what I say today.
banyak orang yang di ruangan ini tidak benar-benar 100% mengikuti apa yang Troy sampaikan.
And there's a reason for it.
Dan ada alasannya itu.
And you're going to find out soon.
Dan kalian akan temui alasannya segera.
The action is easy.
Kalau aksinya mudah,
The challenge
tantangannya
is in your head.
adalah di
Right. Okay. So the first thing you need to do to kickstart your engine
Jadi hal pertama yang kalian harus lakukan untuk kalian mulai menyalakan mesin kalian,
you have to really think about what is it you want.
kalian harus benar-benar tahu apa yang kalian inginkan.
Really think about it.
Benar-benar coba dipikirkan.
Is it, is it really, you really want to become an owner?
Benarkah kalian benar-benar pengen jadi owner itu?
Okay. And then if you say yes, okay.
Ada banyak yang bilang iya ya.
That's only just part of it.
Jadi itu hanya salah satu bagian.
Now you have to think about, okay, I want to become an owner. Okay, where do I want to become an owner? Where do I want to open up my office?
Jadi kalau udah pertanyaannya, oke, saya mau jadi owner. Lalu pertanyaan berikutnya, di mana kita mau buka kantor kita?
And then you have to think about when
Dan kita juga mesti pikirkan kapan kita mau bukanya.
you're going to open that office. Right? When?
Kapan?
Right? Okay. Pretty easy so far.
Kelihatannya sangat mudah ya.
We can do that.
Bisa kan? Tanyakan
Everybody?
pada diri sendiri,
Okay, good.
kamu mau jadi owner apa enggak? Udah jawab iya, terus mau buka kantornya di mana? Kita juga udah tahu. Tinggal tanya kapan, kita juga bisa
We can do
jawab
that.
itu.
Correct?
Betul?
I know everybody can do that.
Troy tahu semua orang bisa menanyakan pada dirinya pertanyaan tersebut dan bisa
Now,
dijawab.
the next step,
Nah, hal berikutnya, langkah
I'm
berikutnya,
not sure if everybody will do this.
Troy tidak yakin semua orang di dalam ruangan ini mau melakukannya.
Okay. The next step, and it's easy to do.
Sangat mudah juga untuk melakukannya.
Okay. The next step is once you know what it is you really want,
Ya, jadi langkah pertama adalah kita udah tahu apa yang kita mau dulu, betul?
Right.
Misalnya
okay, where
di mana
you're going to open your office,
kita mau buka kantor kita,
and then when
dan kemudian
you're going to do
kapan
that.
kita mau
So maybe
lakukan itunya.
Maybe you write that down.
Mungkin kalian udah tulis, coba tulis di
The next
kertas.
step.
Nah, langkah berikutnya,
Anyone want to guess what the next step is?
ada yang mau tebak jawab apa tuh?
Action. There is an action, yes.
Oke, ada action. Terus siapa lagi yang mau jawab?
But there's a simple step.
Ada satu langkah.
It's actually an easy
simple.
step.
Sebenarnya langkahnya sederhana.
It doesn't even require a lot of action.
Bahkan tidak perlu harus action besar-besar.
In fact,
Bahkan
it'll take you 5 minutes to do.
hanya butuh 5 menit saja untuk kalian
But it's
melakukannya.
a very, very important step.
Tapi sangat-sangat penting langkah ini.
But I don't know if everyone's going to do it.
Tapi terus tidak yakin apakah semua orang bisa
Are you
melakukannya
ready?
atau mau melakukannya.
Okay.
Siap?
Next step,
Step berikutnya,
get your phone,
ambil handphone kalian.
right? Oh, you don't have to do it
Nggak
now.
usah sekarang. nggak usah sekarang.
No, I don't need it now. Mine's there. But you get your phone,
Ambil handphone kalian
and when you do selfies,
dan kalian bisa selfie kan biasanya
Right.
bisa selfie ya.
right? But you put on video,
Tapi selfie-nya selfie video.
right? And you reverse it around so it's facing you, and you're looking at yourself in the video. You're doing a selfie video.
Bisa kan selfie video? Bisa.
You've done that before?
Sudah pernah lakukan sebelumnya?
Yeah, but everybody can do that, right? Okay. And in the selfie video,
Di selfie video itu,
you're going to say, "Hi,
misalnya kalian bikin rekam, kalian bilang, "Hai,
my name's Troy Mobbs.
nama saya," misalnya kalian ya sebut nama sendiri ya, nama saya Troy
In
Mobbs.
my
misalnya.
case, I'm 54 years old.
Dan saya usia 50 tahun.
I'm currently working in some Samsul's office,
Dan
right?
saat ini saya bekerja di kantor Samsul. Dia ini kasih contoh ya.
I'm a new trainer,
Saya trainer baru
and my goal,
dan goal saya,
I'm going to open an office
saya mau buka kantor
in Mataram,
di Mataram misalnya.
and I'm going to do it. Right now it's bulan February
Dan saat saya rekam ini adalah bulan Februari
2021,
2021
and I'm going to achieve this goal.
dan saya mau capai goal saya.
I'm going to achieve this goal. I'm going to open my own office in Mataram
Saya mau buka kantor di Mataram, misalnya
in
goal
bulan
kalian di Mataram.
Augustus
Di bulan Agustus misalnya kalian,
2021.
2021.
I promise you.
Saya promise itu.
Thank you.
Saya janji Pak.
Then you take that video
Dan kemudian video yang tadi kalian sudah rekam itu,
and you post it.
kalian posting
You post it on Facebook.
di
You
Facebook
post it on
kalian, di
Instagram.
Instagram kalian,
Send it to your family.
kirim ke keluarga semua,
Send it to everybody you know.
kirim ke semua
Your
teman
close
kenalan
friends.
kalian.
Send it to them. Put them on your WhatsApp
Taruh di WhatsApp,
story.
story,
Put it everywhere.
taruh dimanapun yang bisa.
Okay. How easy is that now?
Mudah apa susah nih?
Udah.
Sure, pasti? Okay, all right, I'm excited. You know what I mean? It's not it's an easy action to do, but not so easy to post, is it?
Jadi kalau untuk rekamnya menurut Troy cukup mudah, tapi begitu kita bilang aduh posting ya.
It's a little bit, feels a little bit, ooh.
Deg-degan.
Does it? Feels a little bit, ooh.
Deg-degan ya, kenapa? Kenapa?
What's that feeling you get? You go, ooh, I don't know. What is that feeling? What is it? What is it you think?
Jadi perasaan apa yang kayaknya kalau udah rekamnya aja kan gampang, tapi begitu disuruh posting, aduh.
Maybe you'll do the video,
Ya,
but maybe it'll never get posted,
katanya Troy, mungkin rekamnya sih rekam kalian,
right?
tapi kalau postingnya Troy nggak yakin katanya kalian.
And I think that's going to happen to a lot of people. The video's going to be in your phone, but you're going to be the only one that can see it.
Iya.
Okay.
Jadi mungkin videonya kalian rekam, tapi cuma tersimpan di memori handphone kalian. Nggak pernah kalian tunjukkan ke siapa pun.
Alright. So let's see who posts.
Ya,
All right.
coba nanti kita lihat siapa yang berani posting.
Okay. Let's just find out. Let's just ask some questions. So why is it difficult to post something like that?
Ya. Coba Troy pengen tahu kira-kira jawabannya apa. Kenapa agak sedikit kayaknya sulit untuk posting
Why?
itu di depan banyak orang? Kenapa? Menurut kalian?
Ragu? Make sure. You're malu. Takut. Takut mungkin tidak bisa capai itu. Yeah? So you're scared of that,
Jadi
right?
kalian takut tidak capai ya?
You look
Malu.
like a bohonga, you know? Right, betul? Betul? So it's the fear
Nah, rasa takut itu
of failure.
untuk gagal,
It's fear of not achieving your goal. It's fear of failing is why we won't post it. Right?
jadi
Okay, true.
kebanyakan takut untuk gagal sama malu ya, malu takut untuk gagal banyak karena dilihat orang itu alasan kita tidak mau postingnya mungkin ya.
So where's the problem? It's in our head, isn't it?
Nah, berarti masalahnya ada di mana?
Mindset.
Ada di
It's our
pola
mindset.
pikir. Pola pikir.
Because really,
Karena sebenarnya
if you post that,
kalau kalian posting itu,
do you think your friends are going to laugh at you? Really? Like, do you think so?
kira-kira ada teman yang mentertawakan nggak? Ada?
They're not. They're not going to.
Mungkin juga nggak akan tertawakan.
In fact, think about it. Really think about it.
Bahkan-
If you saw your friend post that video,
Ya.
what would you think? Really, what would you think?
Jadi kalau coba bayangkan kalau misalnya kalian punya teman itu posting hal seperti itu di online-nya dia dan kita lihat apa kira-kira komentar kita atau apa yang kita pikirkan.
How would you think?
Apa yang kita
You would.
Ya.
You would, really. You wouldn't go, ha ha ha. You wouldn't do that. You wouldn't do it. You'd go, wow.
Wow.
You'd go, wow, like, wow, that took a lot of courage for them to do that.
Ya. Malahan sebenarnya komentarnya mungkin seperti yang tadi Troy sampaikan, mungkin mereka kaget-kaget, wah katanya itu butuh nyali buat sampai.
And you'd
berani.
probably like it, right? You would. So you'd probably straight away like, it'll get banyak likes, a video like that. A lot of people would just be very, very
inspired by the video.
Justru ada kemungkinan besarnya adalah banyak orang yang terinspirasi dari video yang kalian buat itu.
I can assure you that. So that's going to impress a lot of people when you first post it.
Ya, jadi waktu pada saat awal kalian mulai posting, itu pasti akan memberikan kesan pada banyak orang.
Also, if you're a trainer and you're building a team, what a great thing to show your new guy, hey, listen, this is my posting, this is my goals. Check it out on Facebook.
Ya.
What a great thing to be able to inspire
Coba
new people with.
Inspirasi macam apa yang kalian berikan? Misalnya kalian seorang leader dan punya calon kru baru, kalian kasih tahu, ini goal saya nih.
You're not just talking.
Jadi kita cuma tidak bicara aja, kita
You're like,
benar
hey, look,
posting.
I've posted. This is how serious I am about my goals.
Kita kasih tahu bahwa ini saya serius dalam mengejar cita-cita saya, goal saya.
Okay, so now let's just move along a little bit. Now, once we've done that, you've posted it. What happens to you now?
Nah, begitu kita posting video kita itu, apa yang terjadi dengan diri kita?
You're not scared anymore. You've posted it. You've got banyak likes, and people have said, "Yeah, juiced by you," or your friends are really happy with what you've posted. It's all good.
Ya, jadi misalnya pada saat kalian posting, ternyata banyak komentar yang mensupport kalian, banyak like yang suka dengan postingan kalian, dan itu membuat bagus kan, betul?
So now, what do you have to do? How do you feel?
Tapi terus sekarang apa yang harus kita lakukan? Apa yang kita rasakan? Setelah kita semangat.
Semangat, yeah. And you're committed, aren't you?
Dan mau nggak mau kita komit kan?
You're now committed. You're like, wow. Whew, I better kick some ass.
Berarti saya udah buat ini, saya udah kasih tahu ke orang-orang, mau nggak mau saya harus tunjukkan prestasi kita, kerja kita, hasil kita.
That morning you wake up one morning and go, oh, I feel so capek. I say to that Malcolm, oh, I have to go to the kantor, I've got to get my goal.
Jadi di mana hari pada saat kalian bangun, kalian merasa bahwa aduh kok badan kayaknya ngeretak, sakit-sakit semua ini, tapi begitu ingat lagi, saya udah pasang video. Saya nggak
So the video,
jadi video itu
is a way of kickstarting you.
Adalah cara untuk kalian menyalakan mesin dalam diri
It's
kalian.
going to drive you. It's going to drive you. I promise you, it's going to drive you.
Itu yang akan terus memandu Anda.
And you're going to have a lot better chance of reaching the finish line by posting the video.
Dan kalian akan lebih banyak kesempatan untuk berhasilnya apabila kalian dibantu dengan
So do me a favor, once you work out your goals,
jadi pastikan hari ini
please post it on Facebook. I'm an Instagram guy.
ya,
Not
posting di Facebook, terima orang IG dia bilang.
But post it on Instagram,
Ya. Jadi
right?
posting di
And
IG.
tag me.
Nah, dan tag Troy.
Promise me. Tag me, and tag me. My
IG.
alamat is Troy Mobs. Troy Mobs. That's correct. Okay. So please tag me, and I'm really excited. I'd be so curious to see, obviously the people that do post it. I'll be following you as soon as you do it. I'll follow you, and I'll be watching every move you do, and I'll be supporting you along the way also.
Ya, jadi Troy mau pastikan bahwa kalau kalian tag Troy, berarti Troy bisa tahu siapa itu dan dia akan follow kalian kembali dan dia akan pantau apa yang terjadi pada kalian dan dia akan selalu support sepanjang perjalanan karir kalian.
So let me just ask a question real quick. Who's going to work out their goals and who? Now let's look around the room. Who is going to post it on Instagram and Facebook their video? Who's going to do it? Put your hand up.
Jadi Troy mau lihat lagi katanya, siapa yang di ruangan ini mau bikin goalnya benar-benar, kalian ukur kemampuan kalian, lalu kalian bikin video dan posting. Siapa yang mau nih katanya. Siapa yang lakukan? Mau.
Not all hands. Some hands are kind of like.
Katanya ada.
Some hands are like what? Some hands are like this.
Ada yang angkat tangannya yakin seperti ini, ada yang
Some hands are like that. Right?
Ada yang
We're gonna do it.
cuma segini katanya angkat tangannya ya.
Okay. Let's do it, guys.
Oke.
If there's you're going to hear a lot of morning meetings and you're going to hear a lot of people try and motivate you, but I can assure you, if you do what I just told you this morning, your chances of success have increased 10 times.
Ya, jadi ada banyak sekali kalian bisa dapat pelajaran dari morning meeting dan sebagainya.
I did exactly that.
Ya, tapi kalau misalnya kalian lakukan video itu dan kalian posting
But I didn't do it with a video because we didn't have videos when I was on the field. We didn't even have the handphone. But you know what I did, similar, was I stood in front of the room and I told everybody in the office what my goal was. I had it on
wall.
the wall, like on a cardboard. I wrote it on the wall. It was pasted there. I would promote it all the time in the meetings, in my impacts, in my crew meetings. And that's how I did it. And that was the commitment I made. But I think using a video is a way more powerful tool to use to help motivate yourself.
Ya, jadi pada saat dia pertama kali bergabung di bisnis ini dulu, dia pun melakukan hal yang sama. Tapi sayangnya waktu dulu itu belum ada video, belum ada handphone bahkan. Jadi dia promosikannya adalah di depan ruangan ini, dia kasih tahu ke semua orang, dia tulis goalnya, dia pasang di dinding kantor. Setiap kali dia ulang lagi goalnya dan sebagainya, karena zamannya dia itu tidak ada video. Tapi menurut Troy, dengan kita melakukan video dan kita posting itu jauh lebih powerful.
Very powerful. Okay, and I'll just leave you one more thing.
Dan satu hal lagi yang dia mau kasih pesan untuk
when you're going along, you've already posted your video, you're going along the journey of success.
Ya, pada saat kalian sudah posting, kalian punya video dan kalian sedang dalam usaha untuk mencapainya,
you have a few challenges.
Pasti kalian akan temui beberapa tantangan, betul?
You get knocked down a few times.
Mungkin akan merasa kayaknya kita terjatuh di beberapa
But the
kesempatan.
video helps you back up again.
Tapi karena kita pasang video, kita mau nggak mau kita harus bangkit lagi, betul?
Now, say it's Bulan Juli, and I said my goal was I'm going to open my own office in Mataram and Bulan Augustus, and now it's Bulan Juli.
Nah, misalnya tadi goalnya pengen buka kantor di Mataram bulan Agustus, dan sekarang misalnya anggaplah sudah bulan Juli.
And maybe I've only got 3 orang on my team.
Dan mungkin timnya baru 3 orang misalnya.
So it doesn't look like I'm going to achieve the goal by Bulan Augustus.
Kelihatannya belum akan tercapai di bulan Agustus.
What do I do now?
Apa yang harus kita lakukan saat ini?
What do I do?
Optimis katanya Troy.
Be optimistic. Yeah, maybe I still can do it in 4 weeks.
Harus tetap optimis.
Okay, so now it's Augustus.
Nah, sekarang misalnya anggap udah nyampe ke bulan Agustusnya.
And I haven't achieved the goal.
Tapi goalnya masih anggaplah belum tercapai.
What do I do? Do I quit? Quit now, give up, leave?
Apakah kita menyerah lalu kita bilang, ya udah saya udah keluar aja.
What do you do?
Apa yang harus kita lakukan?
Video lagi.
Bikin video lagi.
Video lagi. Totally. Hi guys, it's Troy Mobs here again. Back in February this year, I told everybody my goals, and my goals was I was going to book a kantor di Mataram, bulan Augustus. Well, as you know, sekarang it's sudah sampai bulan Augustus, and I belum achieved my goal. But I'm still committed to my goal. I've just had to reevaluate. My goal now is I'm going to do it by, bulan October. Okay, that's my goal now. I'm sorry for the delay, but I'm going to get there.
Yeah. Jadi
Right.
saya seperti yang kalian tahu bahwa saya bikin goalnya di bulan Februari, tapi sekarang sudah dan saya punya goal sampai Agustus, dan sekarang sudah bulan Agustus. Ternyata di Agustus ini saya masih belum bisa capai goal yang saya buat. Saya minta maaf, saya punya goal, saya akan majukan untuk sampai bulan Oktober. Sorry buat delaynya, buat keterlambatannya, tapi saya mau pastikan bulan Oktober saya capai goal saya.
Juice? All right, let's achieve some goals. Let's kick some ass. Thanks for having me. I look forward to seeing you all very shortly again on video. Hopefully next.
Kita pastikan kita bikin goal kita pastikan kita posting, kita pastikan kita kejar goal yang kita.
Thanks guys, thank you very much.
Jangan lupa tag ke Troy karena dia pengen pastikan bahwa kalian capai goal yang kalian buat.
Thanks, guys, thank you. All right, sorry, we'll probably only can do like one big photo, I guess.
Oh yeah.
Can't do like one photo with everybody, if that's okay. And I'd like to stay a bit longer, but we're committed. My goal is committed to go and run another morning meeting at the other office in Sarabaya.
2 foto kali, 2 office soalnya.
Okay, two photos, yeah? Two offices, two
photos?
photos?
Kan? Dua foto. Minta maaf kata Troy, kita bikin 2 foto, karena 2 office ya, 2 manajer, 2 foto. Karena Troy ada komit juga untuk goalnya dia pengen ada meeting lagi di kantor
Okay.
Kedung dulu.
Thank you.
Yeah, okay.
Let's do it.
Thank you. Ayo, siapa
Thanks.
dulu?
Hi, I hope you enjoyed the videos. Now, just to put it into perspective, the first step was talking about, knowing what your goals are, what you really want. And, in the sales meeting, I talked about what the goal was, where you wanted to open your office, and when you wanted to do it. In the case of you, I think you are probably looking more at what is your goal, how are you going to attain it, and when will you achieve it. So what I really strongly suggest is you use SMART goals. SMART goals are goals that can be measured. So you can basically break down your long-term goal into shortest daily goals. So you know what you should be doing on a day-to-day basis. It makes it very easy to achieve your goals that way. So using SMART goals, I suggest strongly, then make a video and post it on social media. Cheers.